This is a little piece of work I've finished hand stitching. I don't get much time to make new work at the moment. There's a lot going on with teaching online and doing all kinds of stuff and life getting in the way. But I'm quite pleased with this little piece. So I've treated myself to a new custom-made frame. I've just finished unwrapping all the plastic E-frames in Dublin, where I get my frames online. Yes, I know you can buy glazed frames online. Crazy, isn't it? It's nice and deep. And I've had a black mount cut to frame up the work. So if I just reach across and pop my work on there, that'll give you an idea of what it's going to look like in a minute when I've mounted it and framed it properly. Here we are, all sealed up, and you can see the graphite on the black mount, which I'm really pleased with. I wasn't quite sure because normally I'm signing off-white mounts, but I'm really pleased with this black one. I'm glad I spent the extra dosh. Yay! I think it was worth paying a bit more for a more expensive frame with the rebate, and I really do like the black mount against my work. I think it makes it pop. It's kind of shimmery and shiny. It's got a bit of gilding flake in there. So this is me in the studio trying to avoid all the studio lights and the reflection on the glass.